Did you know that the Queen of England pays somebody to wipe her ass for her? Did you know that? They call it the Groom of the Stool. Man, I ain't making this shit up. Google it. Google it.
When she travels.
She flies around with this giant, like, porta potty from hell. It's like a giant throne. And she sits on it, and someone actually goes down there and grooms the stool.
Oh, man.
I just thought that was just crazy. That's all. Just lost my dinner.
And we've done deep research on this. They still have their butts wiped for them. Now, if you don't believe me, you Google groom of the stool. You cannot make this up. You will be reading mainstream university websites, mainstream news articles. It's called the groom of the stool. And a British lord follows the queen or king, depending on what it is around, follows them around, and they sit up in this big cabinet, and they have to fly it around with it. This has been on the news. That's why they fly it around. They claim they stopped it in 1906, but deeper research shows they're just very quiet about it, and millions of pounds are spent a year to move this portable toilet around, because it's got to be big enough. She goes up on a throne and craps. I'm sorry, this is real, folks. I'm not groom with the stool. Google it. And they wipe her fat butt.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please watch my new video where I show you step by step how to make cash from home. You get a free personal website with free tools and training showing you how to use Facebook, Craigslist, and YouTube to your advantage. Click the link below and start making cash from home now.